What's going on, guys? Drones and Dogs here. Welcome back to the channel. Alright, first and foremost, guys, I just wanted to say a happy new year to all you guys. It's actually New Year's Eve. So, you know, by the time you guys see somewhere, by the time some of you guys see this video, we will be well into 2025, y'all. So I just wanted to say, man, I definitely appreciate you guys for rocking with me, man, for supporting the channel, man, watching the videos, sharing the videos, liking the videos, man. I definitely appreciate you guys, man. It's been a great ride, and I'm hoping for 2025 to be even better, you guys. So just keep rocking with your boy, keep supporting me, keep sharing the videos, man. I definitely appreciate it, man. Go over and add me on Facebook. I'll try to link all my stuff below in the description below. But I just wanted to say thank you guys from the bottom of my heart, man. Wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys supporting me, watching the videos, and all that good stuff. So from me to you, from the bottom of my heart, man, Happy New Year, guys. Hope you guys have a great year. Hope you guys set out to do everything that you want to do. And remember, anything is possible underneath the sun and underneath God, man. Just keep God first and keep your heart light and open, man, and anything is possible, man. Anything, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, just wanted to show you, man, it's a new year, so I gave my Hyper Go a new look. This is the MJX Hyper Go, but I put a new body shell on it. It was not really a new body shell, it just came off one of my my other 16 scale vehicles. So I figured it's a new year, man. Gave the bad boy a new look. I've been running the Hyper Go body on it for like a year now. I busted it all up. It's still got, I need to get some new tires for this bad boy. But you can see it's kind of lower than the back because the way I kind of mounted the body up. And I probably need to put some thicker oil in these shocks, or check the shock oil in here. But I've had this thing for a while, man. But I just put a new body on it. This is a Fox body that came off one of them Guac cars. And I just thought it looks really cool to add this on there. Got my sticker there on top. Like I said, it's not a brand new body, but I modified it, made it fit on there. Put some I can't remember, some alien tape on the back to keep it clipless in the back, but I got the 2 body clips up front. So just wanted to show this to you guys, and a happy new year to you guys, man. Keep rocking with your boy. Stay locked and loaded, man. You already know how we rocking and rolling. Y'all know you know you crack fiending for real when it's raining and you out here running your stuff in the rain, but it is what it is, man. Crack fiending for real, y'all here running your stuff in the rain. Y'all know I was gonna get him out here. New Year's Eve, y'all. So we wet, nasty. Hope y'all don't get too much water on my lens. Hopefully y'all can see the beast. Wet, nasty. Of course, I know we'll get him out daytime and check him out, really see what the body looks like. That's why I kind of showed it to y'all in the house. You really get a good look at it. It's only on 2S, not 2S like those. Comes with. These are Hyper Go cars, man, I'm telling you. For the money, you just can't beat it. Best value possible, I'm telling you. For the money, you just can't beat these little things. Can't beat it. Nasty out here, y'all. This is better than snow right now. Don't feel like dealing with no snow. It's coming though. Next day or so, the snow coming. It's coming, y'all. This thing is rolling pretty good though. Night run. Hopefully, like I said, y'all can see these videos. The night run don't turn out the best. Usually. like button, man. I'm out here getting wet for y'all. But it's New Year's, man. Y'all knew I was gonna get y'all something. That was thick puppy. I'm gonna get y'all something for the New Year. Look at it. Look at it. Waterproofness. Really testing the waterproofness. Yeah, these little Hyper Go, I'm telling you. Extremely good value for the money. A long video, y'all. Just wanted to say Happy New Year to you guys. Get this bad boy out, get it running. So we're gonna put on that sewer. Big sewer right there. Definitely won't get him back. Throw down that sewer. Splash, y'all. Splash, splash. All right, y'all.